So after experiencing a period of rapid increase in 2005, the populations of swallows in two different national parks level off. The approximate populations are modeled here where X is time in the number of years since 2005. Okay, so this is Park A and this is Park B. And then it says find the rates of change in populations in both parks between 2009 and 2014. So 2009, 2014. So 0 years since 2005 would be 2005, 2006. So we got to figure out this thing first. 09, 2010, 2011, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So on this particular park, what we're interested in is this point on the graph and this point on the graph. And so you could think of this as like the X, comma, Y, or in most cases, we would refer to this as f of X, okay? So year 9 to year 14, or I'm sorry, year 4 to year 9 is 2009 to 2014. So we're going to compare the same thing here. We're going to go to year 4 on this graph, and we'll do this one in blue. We're going to be concerned with this right here, 4 years after 2005, which is 2009, and 9 years after 2005, which is technically 2014. So here I've got to approximate what I think those values are. So this would be 4, comma, and if I follow this over, it looks like 2200. This is in hundreds, right? So that means that 22 is 2200. And over here, this is 9, and it looks like it falls right on 2800. Pretty easy. So I'll do this one first. I'll do it off to the side. So I'm going to take 2800 minus 2200 all over. Remember, we got to do f of b minus f of a all over b minus a. So this is a, this is b, this is f of a, and this is f of b. So then b is 9 minus 4. So that's going to be 700. No, 600. Nope. What kind of math teacher am I? 600 divided by 5, which reduces down to 120. So the rate of change is 120 for Park B. So now I got to do the same thing with these numbers. So these are a little more complicated. Not complicated, but they're not nice, even to calculate numbers. So now for this one, I'm going to do the same thing, except it's going to be 2870 minus 2370 all over 9 minus 4. That's actually 500 over 5. Yeah. Which reduces down to 100. So now let's see which one is correct. It says Park A shows faster growth rate at an average of 120. No, that's actually Park B. So that one's not true. Option B, Park B showed a faster, let me show you what I'm reading. So I read Part A, it's not true. Okay, so part A was not no good, not true. Part B showed a faster growth rate, that's true, of 100 swallows per year. No, that's a false statement. Part B was 120. Part A showed a fast, nope, it wasn't faster than Part B. This is right, but it's not right. Part B showed a faster growth rate with an average rate of 120 swallows per year. Well, yeah, that's true. Part B did have 120 from those from within that time. So D is the correct answer. And that is how it is done.